Okay, over here I have wrote down the recap of the summary of your acids and alkalis. Really important, right? If you're doing revision on your own, please write these ideas somewhere so that you know you can refer to it when it is exam time. Okay, so definition of acid. Acid will dissociate to give hydrogen ions in water. Properties, they are corrosive, sour, they are conductors of electricity. Your moist blue litmus paper will turn red. Okay, bases is anything that can neutralize acid to give salt and water. So please note, all your metal oxide, all the metal hydroxide are bases. But bases, they are soluble base and insoluble base. So most of the bases are insoluble. But if they are soluble, we call them alkali. So which ones are your alkali? Alkalis are the soluble base. Soluble means I write aqueous because aqueous means I dissolve in water. So since they are soluble means they can dissolve in water. So soluble bases are your alkali. Alkali, it will dissociate to give OH minus, your hydroxide ions in water. So alkali must be the, please know which ones are the alkali. How do you know whether they are soluble or not soluble? It must be the group 1 hydroxide, sodium, potassium, ammonium hydroxide. Group 2 hydroxide must be calcium and below. So calcium hydroxide is an alkali, barium hydroxide is an alkali. Okay, magnesium hydroxide, beryllium hydroxide, because they are above calcium, they are bases, they are solid. Okay, properties of bases, they are, or alkalis, they are bitter, they are soapy. Okay, they are conductors of electricity, and then moist red litmus paper will turn blue. Okay, apart from this, also please write down the weak acid or weak alkali. For it to be weak, this one they dissociate partially to give the ions in water. Okay, weak one will dissociate partially. If I put 10 in, only 5 separate, the other 5 remain as molecules. And strong acid or strong alkali, it will dissociate or ionize fully or completely. Okay, to give the ions in water. Okay, these ions, please write whether is it H plus or OH minus if you are describing acid or alkali. Okay,